I'm trying to raise my eyebrows up. There you go.
Yeah, it's just you and me. Bonnie and Clyde, yeah, we're so young and so free.
Hey ladies, it's Chadneyb here, and I'm coming to you with another wig review. I'm doing another video in the background, guys, so don't worry about that. I told y'all I was gonna get some more wigs to bring to you, and I know some of you all had questions on different hair styles that I was wearing during my vlogs. If you have not watched my vlogs, please go back and check those out. There is a whole list of daily vlogs available for you. I'm about to pick those vlogs back up, but in between, I'm doing vlogs, fashion looks, and hair reviews, which is what I'm known for. Of course, you all are used to me bringing different wigs to you from like diva tress and wig types and ebony line and the whole 9 yards, elevate styles, Sam's Beauty. Y'all done see me bring all those different type of wigs, but what we do not really do is like a lot of Amazon reviews. And I remember when I started looking for Amazon, because I love my Prime, y'all. All I do is buy stuff from Amazon. It don't matter what it is, I'm gonna buy something from Amazon. So when I started seeing that they had like wigs on there, I was like, oh my God, let me try, especially if it's 2 days shipping. Who wouldn't want their hair in 2 days? So I went ahead and just tested it out. So I have been trying out different synthetic wigs or whatever through Amazon for a while. Some of them are hits, some of them are misses. This one right here is definitely a hit and a thumbs up. So I thought I'd bring this wig to you guys because I love it. I really am gonna buy another one. I love the streaks in this wig. I will make sure that I post the wig details down below and the price points as well. But like I said before, I got this from Amazon, and I think this was around $30 or something of that sort. It's $30 or under, I know that much. But I love the fact that it has these streaks in the front of the hair, what we call the money piece, because it's the money shot. As you can see all through the hair, there is different types of highlights and lowlights. It's like a brownish kind of sandy color in between, mixed with a little bit of black and stuff. It's a face framer. I've been looking for a wig like this. It just has the front pieces that are highlighted. It's just something about those type of wigs that I feel like is very, very pretty, especially if you have a round face like me. I'm gonna keep it real short on this because it kind of speaks for itself. The texture, as you can see, super bouncy. I've been wearing it like crazy. It's not stiff. When it comes down to shedding, it's shedding just a little bit, but it's not even shedding as typical synthetic wigs do. The feel of it is more on the yucky side. This almost is up there with like the hair Remy video that I did. If you have not checked that video out, make sure you check that video out. I've been wearing these out, and look at the ends, y'all. Like, of course, I should have brushed it out a little bit more, but the ends, you know how like some synthetic wigs, it gets really like poofy at the ends on you where you have to cut them. It has not done that for me at all. I did not pluck the part. As you can see, I just put a little bit of concealer. This is how the part comes. If you want to pluck it some more, you can most definitely do that. I did me a little baby hair. Y'all know I might put a little eddy up there or whatever. I don't know why I do that, but it's cute to me. So you lay it the way you want to, or you don't have to put any baby hair at all. I think it's gorgeous regardless. It feels really, really good. The length, if you can see. So the length, as you can see, I'm 5'4". It is coming to kind of like my midsection. For these wigs to be so low, as far as the price point goes, this looks like a good quality wig. As a matter of fact, it looks like some human hair. Look how pretty that is. This necklace right here will be on my website pretty soon. Like I said before, I got it for maybe like $30-something. It is down a little bit past my boobs, almost touching my waist. Let's go ahead and do the front. So this is how the front looks. This is the side. Here's the back. This is the back. And go get this wig. I give it a thumbs up. I give it 2 thumbs up, okay? This hair is really, really good. I like the way that it's kind of layered in the front. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this hair. It feels good, it looks good, it wears well. It has 2 combs in the front. Does it got a comb in the back, chair? Yep, it got 1 comb in the back. Does it have adjustable straps? No, it does not have adjustable straps. It is big head friendly. The wig is coming over my ears. Oh yeah, it got straps, y'all. It got adjustable straps on the wig. If you can't see, there it is. There's the straps. So yeah, and it's very super comfortable. I really just popped this thing on my head, girl, and called it a day. I didn't do anything besides put it on my head, put some concealer on there, put me a little bit of baby hair down. It did not come with baby hair. I think I just kind of made some. If you like this wig, if you like these money type of pieces, face framing, highlighted wigs, please let me know, comment down below if this is your type of style. Yeah, thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, thumbs up. If you like this wig, thumbs up. Share it, subscribe, turn on your notification button because I'm popping them out like this, girl. Okay, I have much more in store for you guys. So thanks so much again for watching. I love you. I love you. I love you. In the meantime, in between time, take care of yourself, because if you don't take care of yourself, you can't come back to see me, and that is just not fair. It ain't right, and I ain't doing it. So get your act together and see me on the next video. Bye.